everyone, I am back for day 5 of the Advent Calendar created for me by Lozzie Creates, which is down in the description there if you want to follow her. She does all kinds of cool crafts and journaling and collecting, opening stuff. And yeah, let's just get into it. It's day 5. It says, I really hope that I understood and have bought the right ones. If not, oopsie doodles. And I have no idea what it is. It feels like chapsticks, but I'm not sure. We'll see. Because if you guys don't know, I have a chapstick addiction. I don't like when my lips are dry, but let us see what it is she got. Oh, it is not chapstick. I opened it from the back. It is chapsticks. Oh my gosh, I was right. These are the right ones, Lozzie. These are the ones I use. Carmex. That's awesome. Thank you. I'm addicted. I have like 3 in a drawer. I brought 5 with me when I went to LA because I was really worried I was gonna lose them. And then, is this a wash rag? I think this is a wash rag. Let's open it up and see. But it's Eevee, so yes, it is. Look at it. It's so pretty. Look at this. Or is it an eye, like a face? It's like that really soft cotton. It doesn't feel like a wash rag. It feels almost like the eyeglass cleaner fabric. Either way, it's gonna get put to good use because it's got Eevee on it. And I love it. Thank you so much, Lozzie. Guys, I have a full 25 days Advent calendar here. And I have more to come, so make sure you subscribe and check back tomorrow for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.